Hello, dear viewers. Today we will explore the journey of growing and harvesting delicious pears by Asian farmers. Let's follow along and appreciate the hard work and joy that come with this occupation. To produce sweet and juicy pears, selecting the right variety and preparing the soil are the first and very crucial steps. Farmers need to choose pear varieties that are suitable for the local climate and soil conditions. The chosen varieties must be disease-free and capable of thriving well. The soil for pear trees needs to be thoroughly plowed, weeds removed, and enriched with organic fertilizers to supply the necessary nutrients. A fertile and well-drained soil is essential for healthy pear trees. Once the soil is ready, it's time to plant the pear trees. The saplings are planted in pre-dug holes, then covered with soil and adequately watered. Adequate spacing between trees is crucial to ensure they have enough room to grow. Caring for pear trees requires meticulous attention and patience from the farmers. The trees need to be watered consistently, especially during the early stages and when they are flowering and fruiting. Timely and adequate fertilization helps the trees grow strong and bear sweet fruits. Pruning and pest control are also vital. Regular inspections help detect and address pests and diseases promptly, ensuring the trees remain healthy. After months of care, the pear trees bear ripe fruits. It's time for the farmers to harvest and enjoy the fruits of their labor. Harvesting pears requires careful handling to avoid bruising. The ripe pears are handpicked one by one and gently placed into baskets. For the farmers, each bountiful harvest is not only a result of their hard work, but also a source of joy and motivation to continue their efforts. These delicious pears not only provide income for the farmers' families, but also offer consumers sweet and nutritious fruits. Thank you for watching today's segment. We hope that through this program you have gained insight into the process of growing and harvesting delicious pears by Asian farmers. See you in the next segment. Wishing you all good health and success. Hello, audience. Today we will explore together a plant that not only brings high economic value but also has many useful effects in life. That is sugarcane. Please join me through each step of planting, caring for, and harvesting sugarcane to achieve the highest yield. First, to have a bumper sugarcane crop, choosing varieties is an extremely important factor. Sugarcane varieties must be suitable for the climatic and soil conditions of each region. Currently, sugarcane varieties such as ROC, K88, 92, and K95, 84 are popular thanks to their strong growth ability and high yield. You can see each sugarcane variety has its own characteristics. For example, the ROC variety stands out with good drought resistance and is suitable for growing in areas with low rainfall. Meanwhile, varieties K88, 92, and K95, 84 have good resistance to pests and diseases, providing stable yields in many different soil types. Sugarcane planting land also needs to be carefully prepared. The soil needs to be plowed and loosened, weeds removed, and organic fertilizer or decomposed manure added to provide nutrients for the plants. A fertile, well-drained land is the ideal condition for sugarcane to grow. Did you know that sugarcane land should be plowed about 20 to 30 centimeters deep and harrowed carefully to create looseness, helping sugarcane roots grow strongly? Applying organic fertilizer or decomposed manure not only provides nutrients but also improves soil structure, increasing water retention and drainage capacity. When planting sugarcane, we need to cut sugarcane cuttings into sections about 30 to 35 centimeters long. Each section has 2 to 3 eyes. The sugarcane cuttings are then placed horizontally or slightly tilted in a trench about 10 to 15 centimeters deep and covered with a thin layer of soil. Choosing healthy, pest-free sugarcane cuttings is very important. Sugarcane cuttings should be cut in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid high temperatures drying out the cuttings. Placing sugarcane cuttings horizontally helps the sugarcane's eyes have good contact with the soil, making it easier to germinate and grow into a tree. Caring for sugarcane requires meticulousness and patience. Sugarcane needs to be watered regularly to ensure the soil is always moist, especially during the germination and stem development stages. Fertilizing at the right time is also very important, helping sugarcane plants grow strongly and achieve high yields. During the preschool stage, sugarcane plants need to be watered 2 to 3 times per week. Once the plant has grown taller, watering can be reduced to 1 to 2 times per week, depending on weather conditions. Applying nitrogen fertilizer in the early stages will stimulate leaf and stem growth. When the plant begins to form sugarcane stems, switch to potassium fertilizer to strengthen the stem and increase sugar accumulation. Pest control is an indispensable job. Pests such as stem borers, mealybugs, or rust can seriously damage sugarcane plants. Regular inspection and use of appropriate prevention measures will help protect sugarcane from harmful factors. You can see stem borers are one of the most dangerous pests for sugarcane. They bore into tree trunks, reducing sugarcane productivity and quality. Using biological measures such as releasing parasitic wasps or spraying pesticides will help effectively control this pest. After about 10 to 14 months of care, the sugarcane is ready to harvest. At this time, the sugarcane plant has reached its optimal height and sugar level. Farmers will use sharp knives or sugarcane cutters to cut close to the base, remove dry leaves, and chop into pieces for easy transportation. Sugarcane harvesting usually takes place in the dry season to avoid reducing sugarcane quality due to humidity. After cutting, the sugarcane will be quickly transported to the factory to extract the juice, ensuring the sweetness and quality are maintained. Sugarcane is not only the main source of raw materials for sugar production, but also has many other useful effects. Sugarcane juice can be fermented to produce rum, and sugarcane bagasse after pressing can be used as fuel, paper production, or as organic fertilizer. In addition, sugarcane juice also contains many vitamins and minerals, helping to cool down and provide quick energy. Sugarcane juice contains vitamins B1, B2, B6, and C, along with calcium, magnesium, and iron, which help improve overall health. Drinking sugarcane juice not only helps cool you down, but also provides quick energy and restores health after tiring work. Sugarcane brings high economic benefits to farmers and also provides many values for our health and life. By applying the right planting and care techniques, we can achieve bountiful and quality sugarcane crops. Thank you for watching this entire video. Hopefully, through this program, you will understand more about how to plant, care for, and harvest sugarcane to achieve high productivity. See you again in the next reports. Wishing you health and success.